Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Hepagard Natural Liver Support, a supplement that claims to detoxify the liver, support digestion, and improve overall health. After testing it, we formed a clear picture of whether it's worth it. Hepagard is packed with ingredients like milk thistle, dandelion root, and turmeric, all of which are traditionally linked to liver health. We noticed that after consistent use, digestion felt smoother, bloating was reduced, and energy levels felt more stable. It also gave us some peace of mind knowing that formula focused on cleansing toxins naturally. The pros are that it uses well-known herbs, is gentle on the stomach, and doesn't give that harsh detox crash that many liver supplements do. Another plus is that it seems to support digestion along with liver health. The cons are that the results aren't immediate. You need patience. It also might not work as dramatically for everyone, especially if diet and lifestyle aren't adjusted. Overall, Hepagard feels like a solid natural support supplement for liver health. It's not magic in a bottle, but combined with healthy habits, it can absolutely be beneficial. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.